Okay, listen up. I have wear this fire security suit. I'm saving it for my body. Okay, this time. And by the way, Danza, why are you wearing that giraffe suit one? Oh, this one I wore it last time. Yes, me and John and Rando are gonna take out the pirates in space. Come on, let's go. Yes, sir. Yeah, go, yeah. Yeah. Oh, may the spice be with you. Always. What? Too soon? So let me get this straight. You are fighting the spies.
Yeah, tell us.
Well, because we have been foiled for years. Well, why do you want to do that? Berdo Arrg, Berdo Arrg. Berdo Arrg is for you. Oh, coming. Yes, my command. We're under attack in the Pacific Ocean. Help us. Huh? What? No! The cat! To my ship! I'll take it myself again. Hey, look. It's Berdo Arrg's following to the Pacific Ocean to stop the spies. They're attacking us? Shall we have a mission? Oh, yeah, let's go. Let's go. What? 2 hours later. Oh, there's my. Let's follow him. Yes, Red Leader. Come on. Let's go. Come on. A moment to entrance. Hey, we shall destroy the villain the pirate villain lair. Yes, sir. Come on. The pirate is on sale. Oh, I'm hit. I can't stay with you. I know this, John. Can you destroy this in any better? Sorry. Let him go. Stay out earlier. Oh. We have closer. Headed there. And they're shooting us again. Let's do something quick. Hurry up, Danny. Whoa, wait. Gotcha. Mamma mia! I got out of control. Look, we're never gonna make it in time. But we do. Okay, everybody.
Don't panic. Everything's gonna be fine.
We have until 5 minutes until closing to destroy Los Angeles, California. I'm on the leader. Oh. You can do this. Use the force. Huh? Who said that? It's me, Robbie. I'm Danzo's older master. I know you could fight the pirate villain army, but I know find the courage to beat them. Oh, the force is stronger than this one. Don't just stand out. Show them now. Yes, sir. Come on. Oh no. I lost my powers. I'm out of energy. I catch up. What am I gonna do now? I'm never gonna make it in time. Whoa, hey! Whoa! Stop the fire! Thank you. No. Target. Hold still. Target activated. Oh, I hope you know. No! What? Huh?
Yahoo!
Whoa! Now! Shoot him now! Look out! Now! You're all clear, kid. Now let's blow this fan and go home. Whoa. Now, soldier, it's about to explode now. What? Okay, I'm free. Get me out. Wait, you put this on. I don't need this anymore. I quit. Goodbye, pirates. No, don't be naked. Oh no, where are you? Run for your life! Oh, mommy! Oh yeah, great job, kid. That was a 1 in a million. Remember, the spies will be with you always. Curses! We failed again. I'll come back. You'll see. And finally, yeah, 3 cheers for Danny D. Prime. Hooray! Hooray! Good work, pal. You destroyed the pirate villains base without me. We could have done this without you. Yeah, we did it. And looks like we have to save the world again once more. Yep. Aww. Yeah, look. We'll be in big trouble. I didn't give Albert to pay him back.
Oh, why do you want to do that?
Yeah, I guess he didn't. Yeah. And by the way, why are you still wearing that giraffe pencil one? I'm the American spy. That's why.
Come on, let's win the race. Defeat Woodpecker. That's right. Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? And we're going to get the race ready tomorrow. Okay.